Okay, it's really noisy here, so I'm going to have to speak quite loudly. So just making a few tweaks to the exhaust, both personally and also the feedback I've gotten from a few of the groups on Facebook and the like, and Instagram. One of which was this one here, where it's just a little bit too low. It should kind of go kind of higher up there. Yeah, I agree, that's right. The Wi-Fi just a little bit too low. And we're modifying this for two reasons, and I'll show you shortly. Oh, he's taken it away. It was banging against the chain here, and also it was just slightly too high. And I've got a number plate fender delete, and it wouldn't fit with the fender delete, so we just need to bring it back half an inch. I'm gonna change either where the pipe goes up or the diameter, which I've got to be very careful about because I already calculated that and I don't want to screw that up. Luckily this diameter stays the same. It's very important about the diameter of the two pipes, where that has to be a certain size, this one has to be a certain size in order to A, get the sound, and B, get that power, because one benefits at low RPM and the other one kind of benefits high RPM. It's almost like a natural exit valve. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, that's much better. Just a little bit higher. It's exactly how you want it. Suits it much better. Staggered style. Now, a lot of you guys don't like the design that I made. There is logic behind it. If you don't like it, it's fine. I can make it a single outlet, about the same length as that, with a choice of steel, titanium, and a carbon end can if you wish. Just shoot me a message. This is mine here. My company. The inside, it's very well silenced actually. It looks like one of those super loud like SCs or AR, but it's not at all. Not at all. It's very densely packed, and it makes a lovely tone. And the whole idea behind this mesh here is two reasons. One, it looks cool, and two, it kind of shortens the overall length, so you don't have a tip. If you want a tip, fine. You know, let me know. I can do it, but I prefer that. Focus. I prefer that tipless look. I think it's more kind of GP style. But everyone has their own tastes. But this Y twin outlet is the best in performance by far. If that's what you're after, you want maximum performance from the R7. This is the one to go for. But I'm not one to argue with other people's tastes, so you are more than welcome to have a single outlet, super lightweight titanium system, or my system in titanium, which is also very, very light. So I ordered the first tail delete. Where is it? Where is it? It's somewhere. Oh, here it is. So this is the new one that just came out in Thailand by DNA. Much cheaper than the JL and Yoshimura. The problem is, the tail tidies are fine. It's just Yamaha make it so difficult. There's so many things. Right? It's crazy. Just so many bolts. It takes so long to, and you got to be so careful because there's so many bolts everywhere. Just a nightmare. Hello. I'm gonna play with you later. But I got to install it because if I don't install it, I won't know the correct length to have for everybody else. Well, I think I've said that before, so it's important because there's no point having an exhaust that fits the factory fender when everyone has a fender delete. So I've had to do some rough calculations. Here's the problem I had before. See, I've got the diameter right, but it rubbed and hit the chain there. So we hammered it in and it still wasn't enough. So having to revise the diameter and also the angle, and also have to compensate for losing about half an inch. Actually, I don't know. I've got the calculator on my phone, so once this is installed, I'll be able to work out the correct length needed to make it the same again. All fun and games. I tell you, fitting this tail tidy is a real bitch. But we're getting there. It's kind of cool. This is the ZX-25R exhaust being modified. These are so cool. We don't get them home. We only get them in Asia. And this gentleman to my right is a bit camera shy, but you know, this is his bike. It's so awesome. Baby 250, USD shower, radial brakes. Just this cracking little engine. And now he's going to modify the exhaust and it's probably going to sound like an F1 car. Probably don't know this, but I actually owned the old 250s and 400s back in the day. Now they're very, very old. So it's really good to see that they're making them again with fuel injection, so you don't have any of the carb problems that you used to get. You know, you just turn it on and go, and they rev 17,000. Well, they actually go a bit over, I believe. I think there's an ECU flash for this, because they make 40, 45 to the wheel with an exhaust and a reflash. I think they go over 50 and about 18,000 RPM. So there he is, having it made. Hopefully his is done before mine, so I can get a video of the sound. I'd love to hear it. I love these 250s. So that's a 4:2:1 with a short copy economic. Haven't finished the handy yet, but sounds awesome.